Hey, my name is Quinn. I'm a developer here with Scout APM. Today we're going over the simple process of getting Scout monitoring set up for a Ruby on Rails app. The example app I'm using here comes from a GitHub template, which is a containerized Rails app using Docker Compose. But the process for adding Scout will be about the same for any Rails application. First thing we're going to do is just add the Scout APM gem to our gem file. Next, log into your Scout account and select Add Application from this dropdown. We'll pick Ruby on Rails as the language. We've already added the gem, so we can skip this step and download the configuration file. We'll right-click and save link as. We'll name this file scoutapm.yaml. Let's go over what's in this config. You'll notice it already contains your organization's unique key. I'm going to make a couple optional changes here, mostly for demonstration purposes. I'm turning on debug logging and setting the output location to be standard out so we can see logs directly in the Docker terminal. From there, I'm just enabling monitoring in the development environment. Next thing to do is place this file inside the top-level config directory in our project. That's really all there is to it. Once the gem and the configuration file are added, you're ready to go. In this example, running Docker Compose up, we'll do a bundle install and start the Rails server. But in your app, just make sure you've done a bundle install and then start or restart Rails. You should be good. These Scout startup logs help us verify that things are working. Next, you'll want to generate some traces. So in our case, we'll just reload our app a couple times. So for a newly reporting app, it can take a moment for it to show up in your account. So if you don't see anything here, just give it a couple minutes. If you want to learn more about how to take full advantage of Scout APM, definitely check out our other videos or documentation. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.